Hey y'all, welcome back to Ride Like a Pro 1. Today we're going to be going over some important things that I think that you should do, I know that you should do before you go on your ride. First thing, the way I do it, I like to start from the bottom and work my way up. So first thing, I want to come and get y'all so you get a little bit closer view of what I'm doing. Okay, first thing I want to do is I want to check my air pressure. What you do, just your tar valve. This is where you put your air in at. And then what I like to do is I got this air tube. You can get it from um, the part stores. You can get it from Walmart. You can get these both anywhere, and they're fairly cheap. So what you want to do is just stick it right on here like this, and press it in, and pull it off. And what it does, it blows the end out right there, and it tells you how much air pressure in your tire. And this tire here should be, mine is 42 psi when it's cold. Okay. Second thing I like to do is come right around here and I check my chain. Make sure it's lubricant good. Make sure it's not real floppy loose. You want to leave just a little play in it, but not, where it's not real tight and not real floppy. Third thing I want to do is turn my ignition on. Then I want to hit my signal light to the left, and I'm going to check my signal light. My front one's working, and my rear one's working. So I come back up here, and I go to the right side. It's blinking in the console right there. That's the front one is working, and my rear one is working. So I come back around here and cut it off. One other thing I would like to do, I got it against the wall. This is my brake light. You can set your bike against the wall or against something and make sure your brake light works. You see the reflection on the wall? And come around here, make sure your headlights is working. I want to check my fluids. This is my clutch. This is for my clutch fluid. It's got a low line and a line up above where it's supposed to be. This one is my front brake fluid. It's the same way. It's got a line where it's supposed to be a high and a low. Next thing, you can start it up. And let it run for about 10 or 15 minutes. And then check your oil. You can check it cold, but I like to let mine warm up some to make sure, it's got some in it and make it, lubricant. And Another thing, turn your switch back on. You can do this before you turn your switch off, but make sure your horn blow. And that's about it. The next thing you do, oh, one more thing, check your tires. Check your thread on your tires. That's my front tire, looks good. Come around and check your rear tire, and it looks pretty good. And other than that, you're ready to go for your ride if everything checks out. Thanks for joining me. Like, share, and subscribe to this video. And come back again and meet me in my next video. Thank you. God bless you. And like I always say, if you watch my channel, what we all want to do is get back home safe to our families. This is not a toy. Thank you. God bless you. And ride safe.